Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. This is Fantastic Art, and my name is Bo. And today we're gonna be drawing the one and only Slim Shady, Chicky Chicky, aka Eminem, the rapper. This is one of my favorite rappers, so I had to draw him. But let me quickly tell you the story how I came to drawing this drawing. You know, a while back I ran out of drawing material. You know, usually I would do the style that I normally do, which is like more realistic than this one. But I ran out of material, so I was like, what can I do to actually be able to continue drawing without having to buy material? And I came with this idea, which is to draw a style that actually allows me to use the materials that I have left, which is my mechanical pencil and my 7B pencil. That's all I have, and just my drawing paper. So I looked around on YouTube, and I remember this one of my favorite YouTube artists that I follow, which is Josh Art. And I was like, you know what? Let me try out his style of drawing. Josh's style of drawing is amazing, guys. He does this, like, I don't know, stylized version of realism, but man, it looks good. It looks good. So you guys need to check out his page if you're like interested in this style. So yeah, for like a couple of days I was looking at his content and I was trying to figure out and watching his tutorials on how he does his style, and eventually I made my first attempt of the style, and it was terrible. I'm not gonna lie, it was so terrible. If I do find the image, I will show it on screen, but it was that terrible. But after that, I had to check the mistakes that I've made, and yeah, I checked out all the mistakes that I've made, and I had to draw this one again. So I was like, you know what, first of all I have to find a reference that has the features which can allow me to like try out this stuff, because if I get someone with a very complicated features, it's gonna be hard. So I remember that Slim Shady has quite a distinct look that anybody can recognize, but you can still bring your twist to it. You can still like change some things when you do it. So yeah, I had to get this reference. Plus, like Eminem has like the pointy nose, which is one of like the main I don't know, sauce with this type of drawing is like the nose. If you do the nose right in this style, you have the drawing perfected, because you don't have to do much. You just have to like do the hatching and then like highlight the nose the most part. So that's what I've been doing with this drawing, guys, and I can tell, man, this is coming out good. This is coming out good. So for me, I had to do like the great line method, because Josh uses like the Loomis method, but I haven't mastered the anatomy of a human like that. So I had to stick with the great method just to be safe, guys, just to be safe. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna improve in this style. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. These are the results, and I'm quite satisfied with this first attempt. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.